Now to configure the screen design parameters to finalize the look and ready the design for use within Logic Builder. Select the first analog clock, could also do this from the layers panel, and in the parameters find the text field and we'll label this clock as local. Note the time zone parameters already set to local time. In the text font field, open the options to choose font style and size. These options can also be found by expanding text font here. Now for the second clock, we'll label this one as Kathmandu and change the time zone to match. Now for the cue lights. Select the first cue light, noting we must do this from the layers panel because we locked this one earlier to prevent editing. Find the style parameter and change this to cue light 14. This particular light style includes the option to add text, repeating for all the cue lights. Now to add the text for both the on and off states of each light by completing the on text and off text fields. Starting with the first, which will just read phone for both. The second is going to be an on air, off air, and the third, mic on and mic off. Now set the default color for each light. We'll go with blue for phone, red for on air, off air, and green for mic on, mic off. To complete the cue lights, we set the input signal names for each light. These are the reference names that will appear within the Logic Builder during configuration. Therefore, something useful such as cue light phone, cue light on air, off air, and cue light mic on, mic off. Now the text box, using the default text field to add some fixed text. Finally, save your layout, which now requires the overwrite save confirmation because we already saved it with this file name earlier.